Disconnect the 12-volt DC power supply or unplug the unit to prevent electrical hazards. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the top hinge cover. Gently lay the cover back, taking care not to strain or disconnect the attached wire. Carefully disconnect the control board cable attached to the hinge. Before removing the hinge bracket, note the position of each screw. Reinstalling them in the same locations ensures proper door alignment. Remove the 3 screws holding the hinge bracket to the refrigerator. Lift the hinge bracket straight upward, feeding any wires through the side opening. Slightly open the door, then lift upward to disengage it from the bottom hinge pin. Set the old door aside. Position the new door over the bottom hinge pin, ensuring it seats securely. Close the door flush against the refrigerator body. Place any wires inside the hinge bracket before sliding it into the hinge pocket on the door. Align the screw holes with the original positions. Reinstall the 3 screws into their marked locations. Then reconnect the control board cable. Place the hinge cover back over the bracket. And reinsert and tighten the 3 Phillips screws to secure the cover. Open and close the refrigerator door several times to confirm smooth operation, proper alignment, and a secure seal.